For that dimension, this is the solution. Now this is the next question. If Josh draws a circle of radius say 12x squared, find the area of the circle. Now conventionally this used to be a number, but here we are given the value to be as 12x squared. So radius is equal to 12x squared. Now the area of the circle is pi r squared. So this is going to be pi times of r is 12x squared the whole squared. So this is pi times 12 squared and x squared the whole square. It's always better to represent it like this. 12 squared is 144, x raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 2. Now a raised to the power of n raised to the power of m is a raised to the power of n times m. So x squared raised to the power of 2 is going to be x raised to the power of 2 multiplied with 2, which is going to be x raised to the power of 4. Okay, so this is going to give me x raised to the power of 4 square units. So that is the solution for this question, and if you want you can rewrite it like this: 144 x to the power of 4 pi square units.